So, ladies and gentlemen, well, now comes the time for PR Marcom Manager of the Year. Could we have the winner, AV, please? Well, yes, it goes to Pooja Singh from Hyatt Regency, Kolkata. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Pooja.
Thank
Could we
you.
have a few words from you?
Non-speakers will have to mute themselves because there's a lot of echo.
Well, yes, it goes to Pooja Singh from Hyatt Regency, Kolkata. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Pooja.
Thank you, Padma. Thank
Could we
you.
have a few words from you?
Non-speakers will have to mute themselves because there's a lot of. Okay, somebody has his Facebook on. Who has the Facebook on? Whoever's got the Facebook on, the mic feedback is coming.
Yes, so what happens is when we have parallel windows, there would be a feedback. So I just request all our winners who are coming on the screen to kindly keep their viewing window closed so that there shouldn't be a problem. So anyways, Pooja, congratulations. Could we have a few words from you, please?
Thank you so much. I'm extremely honored to be receiving such a prestigious award, DW Hotelier IHA 2020. I am earnestly grateful for the recognition of my work. I would like to thank Kumar Shobhan, General Manager, Hyatt Regency, Kolkata, and Dawson, Director of Sales and Marketing, Amit Paul, for always encouraging and believing in me. There is a story behind this. So I used to always aspire to receive an award from BW. And when I got the winner letter, I was all excited, and it was midnight, and I was like screaming. I was like, okay, calm down, calm down. Something is beautiful in this pandemic. So thank you so much.
So sweet of you.
Sandeep, would you like to say something? Jury
Sure. Yeah. Pooja, you deserve it. You're a strong citizen. You're a solid citizen of Hyatt. You've been there for some time, and Calcutta is no easy market. It's a very price-sensitive market. You know it. I don't need to tell you more than anyone else. It's very difficult, and that you have had very large hotels coming up. You know, you got a giant hotel with 593 room inventory over there, and you still managed to hold yourself, and you got a new GM. You got Kumar joining you last year, that you gave such a solid support. I think Partha, who's actually our domain expert, he had no doubt about it, that you deserve it, and you really deserve it. So to you and to your boss,
Thank you so much.
Kumar. Here goes.
Thank you.
Well done.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Partha, would you like to try and come in on the same? I believe, okay. I guess, Partha, I'm so sorry. We're still facing an issue. How much ever we would love to have you on for the congratulations, but we'll now have to move on. So, Pooja, congratulations once again, and thank you for joining us. So, ladies and gentlemen, now it is time for the Chief Engineer of the Year. And could we have the winner, AV, please? Ladies and gentlemen, this is and it goes to Adarsh Chaudhary from Vivanta Kolkata EM Bypass. Congratulations. Adarsh, would request you to kindly unmute yourself.
Yes, I unmuted myself. Thank you so much, everybody, and good evening to all. And it's an honor to have this award today evening. And I just wanted to give one thing from my end today, that in this whole scenario, there was thing behind my head which I wanted to share with everyone, with all my colleagues and everybody in the industry. That in these difficult times, we need to actually imagine ideas. And then implement thought, maybe it will reach. Hello.
Yes, Adarsh, we can hear you. Please go
Am I
ahead. There was a
audible?
little lag. Yes, there was
Okay.
a little lag slide, so that's okay.
Yes, the line. So I hope my message was clear to everybody, and this whole thing is a very good
You may
achievement
want
for
to-
me.
you may
I'm
want-
so
you may
thankful
want-
to BW.
Adarsh, you may want to repeat your message because your message, the voice vanished.
Oh, I'm really sorry. So
No,
I
no,
wanted
no.
to tell that it's very much important in these difficult times to actually imagine things in a different way in which your own hotel can optimize its resources. Number two, to actually ideate those imaginations. It's mere imaginations won't help you. And then those ideation, what you have just thought of and how it should be done, it should be implemented. So I follow these 3 I's, and I strictly follow these 3 I's, which I think I have been doing from last 8 years in Taj. That's all I wanted to tell all my colleagues, whoever is there in this, and whoever are listening today to us. And I'm really thankful to BW for this award.
BW Hotelier, not.
Hoteliers, yeah.
Thank you so much, Adarsh. Sandeep, would you like to come in and say something to our awardee? Sandeep, you're muted. Could you unmute yourself, please?
Sorry, in the interest of no feedback, I had muted, so I'm back now. Am I okay? All right, Adarsh, congratulations. Well done. Fantastic job. You and the entire team, you have shown a lot of work. Your application was immensely interesting to read. For a person who has seen your hotel transformed last year from a Gateway to a Vivanta after being closed, and with the dynamic leadership of your GM over there, sitting across very large hotels over there and giving them a decent fight also. I'm not talking about business and such, but the small changes that you did in terms of getting it across from the brand Gateway to Vivanta is noticeable, by people like us. And next time when Bhuvnesh comes, we are going to go to that hotel and see. We'll see a change over there. While we also travel to Mayfair, of course, to eat vegetarian food. We'll do that as well. So wonderful. Great job, Adarsh. Congratulations.
God bless you, Adarsh. Do well.
Thank you so much, Adarsh. And ladies and gentlemen, with this, I'd request Sean Kenworthy, one of our jury members, to kindly join us on the stage. And we'll move to the next set of awards. Thank you so much, Sean, for joining us.
Sean.
Thank you for having me.
Hey, hi, Sean. How are you?
Very good, thank you. All well?
All good.
All well. Sean still in Manchester?
Still, but hopefully next week get back. By next week.
Wonderful.
Excellent.
Not far now. Just waiting for Mamta to open up the airspace in Calcutta.
All right. Sure.
Sure. So, Sean, we're not going to be moving now to the next set of awards. Ladies and gentlemen, now for the HR Manager of the Year, could we have the winner, AV, please? Well, HR Manager of the Year goes to Devendra Kumar Ray, Mayfair Spa Resort and Casino, Gangtok. Devendra, thank you so much for joining us today, and congratulations. Well, that is his certificate right on your screen. A congratulations from our side, Devendra Kumar Ray. Devendra, if you can come online, we'd love to hear from you, your acceptance speech as well. Could you hear me, Devendra?
Yes, allowed to join, ma'am.
Yes, I can hear you, but I can't see your video right now, Devendra. If that's okay with you, you would like to take your video on button?
Yes, video is already on, ma'am.
Okay, I believe there's some issue, but no worries, Devendra, please.
Due to net problem, I think so.
No
Video
worries,
is already
Devendra.
on.
Let us know how you're feeling. How does it feel to win the HR Manager of the Year? I'm sure a lot of hard work must have gone into this. Would you like to tell the viewers on your award?
First of all, namaskar everyone. Myself Devendra Kumar Rai, working as a HR Manager, Mayfair Spa Resort and Casino. It's a 5-star deluxe property of a Mayfair Group. And first of all, I am very much grateful to all my committee members of HR BW Hoteliers and my management giving this type of award, and all my colleagues also. Definitely, I hope I will maintain the same and same level of my upcoming year. So thank you so much.
Sure, thank you, Devendra, for that. I'd like to get a view from Sandeep and Sean on this. So, Sandeep, if you could, let us know about how Devendra got the HR Manager of the Year.
Unmute.
You'll have to unmute, Sandeep.
I'm sorry.
Yes.
In the interest of feedback, I keep muting myself. So, see, this is a resort and it's extremely well positioned in a sense that it's been on TripAdvisor ratings as #1 for a number of years, actually. So that's from the guest point of view. From the point of view, what Devendra looks at, if you look at his staff attrition, it's almost minimal, absolutely, over there. If you look at his training and other parameters that he's done, the amount of joy at work, small initiatives that this particular hotel has taken is extremely commendable. And we're extremely glad as a team to have gone into it, and you've done a commendable job over there, getting in people. You've kept all your people even during the pandemic. You've made sure that they're with you, and you've been with them all the way through. Extremely good job as a HR person, as a talent retainer, and as a talent manager. Well done, Devendra.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Sean, would you like to come in and say your bit on the award as well?
Yes, I don't have his notes in front of me currently, but I remember when we were reading through them, incredibly impressive. And again, incredibly difficult time, particularly in that part of the world. I've been to most of the Mayfair properties. I've not been to that one, but I know it's very difficult to bring staff from outside. I'm guessing that you probably have majority of your staff are local, and it looks as though you take care of them, which is never such a bad thing, I don't think, in our industry. But a brilliant job done, I think, as far as HR and training was concerned. And I congratulate you and wish you all the very best, really. Fantastic.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
So, ladies and gentlemen, now for the IT Manager of the Year, could we have the winner AV, please? And yes, the IT Manager of the Year, Debashish Bhattacharya, ITC Royal Bengal and ITC Sonar, Kolkata. Congratulations.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Congratulations, Debashish.
Thank you.
So Debashish, please,
Yeah.
we'd love to hear a few words from you.
Yeah. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, honorable jury, for this prestigious recognition and giving me the award. I'm extremely honored to be receiving such an important award, IT Manager of the Year. I'm thankful to my organization ITC Hotels for nominating me, where I can proudly hold this award as a mark of achievement. My seniors have a major role in my success. Winning this award would not have been possible without the inspiration I have received from my seniors and my colleagues, for whom I have deepest respect and from whom I have derived the strength to challenge myself and perform better at each stage. I am honestly grateful for the recognition I have received for my work, because I am very sure that every other nominee for this award was as capable, if not more, of winning this award. I sincerely thank each one of you for helping me reach a stage where I can proudly hold up this award as a mark of my achievement. I also promise to only get better at my work so that you can see me here for more such awards. Thank you.
Thank you and congratulations, Debashish.
That is so nice to hear, Debashish. God bless you. Lift the bar and stretch yourself, not just these times when we are coming back.
Right.
So I'd Bhuvnesh, I'd love to get Sandeep Mukherjee in again and,
Sure.
being our jury chair. Sandeep, over to you.
All right. My thought has been like this on IT managers always. They never speak. They're very quiet. So I would talk when I was in hotels as to why don't you talk? Till I realized that the pressure is so severe that we guys in ops would think that, we have all the pressure in the world. It's not true, actually. And believe me, here's a person like Debashish who's not handling one, but giant properties, 2 properties, 593 rooms, opening it up within no time, seamless operations, and, trying to even figure out things like ops guys wanting you to do probably mood media music into the lobby and stuff like that. Seamless stuff, absolutely. I've seen that. Though we have not met Debashish, one of these days we'll come down. Maybe Sean and me will meet you. Wonderful job done. Great job done. Brilliant, absolutely. And I think I've heard an IT manager speak so long for the first time ever. And I'm really glad for that I came to it. Wonderful. Well done.
True. Sean.
Yeah, so I'm agreeing with Sandeep. I mean, incredibly challenging to open that hotel, but in all areas, and particularly in IT with such a brand new.
Thank you so much, Sean.
I think we got lost there. And obviously post-COVID or in the future, this is going to be the way forward. IT is going to be the driving force of every hotel, COVID or otherwise. So I congratulate you, wish you all the very best, and again, well done.
Thank you. Thank you.
Congratulations, Debashish.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, Debashish. So, now, ladies and gentlemen, we are moving on to our next award category. If you're excited, keep hashtagging IHA 2020 with your feedback and your views on the event. Now, ladies and gentlemen, for the Front Office Manager of the Year, could we have the AV, please? So yes, ladies and gentlemen, we've got the Front Office Manager of the Year, Ruby Katak from JW Marriott Kolkata joining us. Ruby, congratulations.
Congratulations, Ruby.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
So that's the certificate of congratulations from Ruby. Now, Ruby, we'd love to hear a few words from your side.
Thank you, Bhavna. Good evening, all. I hope am I audible to everyone?
You are.
Great. I'm extremely elated to receive this award. Actually, it's beyond words. Needless to say that BW Hotelier is a prestigious platform, and it has been a dream come true for me the moment that email came to my inbox a few days back in the night. So that was a moment for me, and I'm still living it as of now. Hence my heartfelt thanks to the entire management of BW Hotelier who thought that I'm a deserving candidate, and it means a lot. Nonetheless, my team at JW Marriott Kolkata, who always contributed in making me a better person each day, their motivation, their support, their always being beside me whenever in need has always made me a better person day by day. It wasn't possible without their support at all. So I would like to dedicate that to them fully. And of course, being in a tough situation due to COVID pandemic, I would also like to show my sincere gratitude to the entire team and management of BW Hotelier, who made it possible for all of us to connect on one platform, and that is highly commendable. Since morning I have been listening to the fruitful conversation of who's who of this industry, and that was really very informative for all. So thank you so much for giving this opportunity and making us better day by day. Thank you all.
So you may want to thank BW Hotelier for organizing the event, but for your award and the way you won it, you have to thank yourself for putting in that effort and the jury for adjudicating. Not BW Hotelier management has got
It's
nothing
an honor.
to do. Yeah.
It's an honor, of course,
Yeah.
of course.
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank
God
you,
bless
Ruby.
you.
Well,
Keep doing well. Yeah.
so well, Bhuvnesh,
Thank you.
thank you for those words, and I'd love to get once again our jury chair, Sandeep Mukherjee, on this. Sandeep, could you come in again?
Yeah, I think I'm audible now this time.
Yes.
Okay. Ruby handles a difficult task, particularly the year under observation, where she was adjudicated and where she actually applied for. You have a large hotel opening next doors over here. It's a scare. She's a large hotel herself. I mean, managing a large hotel herself. But at the end of it, if you look at those 80+% occupancies, if you look at all the work that has been done, even during Amphan, like we said over there, and correct me if I'm wrong, managing an all-woman team over there, right? In your place, mostly.
Well, they play an
all-woman
important
team
role
over
as
there.
well.
Yeah, it is good. It is good, and it is, carrying them all through this pandemic. Tremendous job by you and your team over there. And I'm not talking about the ARRs and RevPARs and, the RevPAR premiums, which you have been able to hold very well, and you have managed, your entire situation of business over there. Great job done. Great guest satisfaction reports over there. Great audit reports. Well done. Congratulations. You deserve it.
Thank you so much.
And also, we'd like to get a word from Sean as well.
Yeah, so congratulations, Ruby. I mean, fabulous property. I've stayed in the hotel myself. I think JW has rattled lots of cages in Calcutta since it's been open. Obviously, you do have the challenge of a big hotel next door. And I know during the pandemic with Amphan, you challenges with the property. You had lots of damages you had to the property. But I wish you all the best. From now on, I think as far as September is concerned, we're all going to be looking forward to the future as we slowly come out of this and look forward to much better times, which are just around the corner. So again, congratulations, job well done, and keep giving it your best. Well done.
Thank you. Thank you so much for that.
Well done.
Congratulations. So, well, now, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be moving to the procurement manager of the year. Well, if you're excited, what you got to do is keep hashtagging IHA 2020. Ladies and gentlemen, now it is time to have a look at the winner, AV, please. So, ladies and gentlemen, procurement manager of the year, Ranju Batterjee from Vivanta Guwahati. Ranju, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you. Good evening to you all.
Good evening and congratulations, Ranju, for a job
Thank you,
well
sir.
done.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. So thank you, BW Hotelier and the honorable jury for this special award. It is a huge honor for me to receive this award. I would like to thank my organization, the Indian Hotels Company Limited, our General Manager, Mr. Ashwini Akhil, and the entire team for their support and guidance for this special award. Thank you once again to all.
Thank you so much. Well, they say a man of few words, but a lot of action, I'm sure, that has won him this procurement manager of the year. Well, I'd like to get, as you can see on the screen, the certificate out there. I'd like to get Sandeep, once again, our jury chair, to come in and talk to Ranju.
Couple of things stood out in case of Ranju. Guwahati again is not exactly Calcutta in that sense, and it has got its own challenges. There's a lot of sourcing which is to be done also from Calcutta as a main center. It's a difficult position over there. It's the hotel in the town of Guwahati over there. You got to maintain your standards and everything else. Ranju has shown a lot of skilled work which came out in his application in terms of renegotiating contracts, in terms of vendor development over there, and tying up new products which came out in the application. So Ranju, well done. You deserve this.
That's amazing. Sean, I'd like you to come in and talk to Ranju. Well, he's just got the wonderful Procurement Manager of the Year award.
So congratulations, Ranju. Again, great job done. Obviously, your part of the world, very difficult to get things in and out. I'm sure it's been incredibly difficult during the pandemic to try and plan where things are coming from, whether it be front of house, back of house, rooms, etc. I'm sure it must have been incredibly challenging. But great job. Well done. Look forward to coming up to your property. Maybe let's see what the end of the year brings. I'm not sure what's going to happen. But a job incredibly well done. Well done.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
So, well, that was Ranju joining us as the Procurement Manager of the Year. And ladies and gentlemen, we've just got one last award category, and it is the Spa Manager of the Year. Could we have the winner, AV, please?
No, that's not the last category.
So the Spa Manager of the Year is Ranjana Sharma. So we can see Ranjana Sharma joining in from Vivanta, Guwahati. She's from Guwahati. Ranjana, we can't see your video though. Would you like to talk about how you feel winning this award? Over to you, Ranjana. Yes, we can see you very well. Congratulations, Ranjana.
I think you'll have to unmute yourself, Ranjana.
So, well, as you can see on the screen, Spa Manager of the Year, Ranjana Sharma. Over to you, Ranjana. Well, I believe there is some...
Bhavna,
yes, please.
This is not the last category. There's housekeeping also.
Okay, I'll just get that added. Thank you, Bhuvnesh, for that.
Please check out with them.
Yes.
Nishant came in, right? Executive housekeeper. We had that.
Yes, we did have Executive Housekeeper of the Year. Are you talking about Nishant, Bhuvnesh?
I don't know. We did call out. I thought Juna was there, no?
No. So Executive Housekeeper of the Year is done, Bhuvnesh, which went to Nishant. We're right now on the 13th, which is as per the last category. But I'll wait for the confirmation. Ranjana, meanwhile, we'd love to have a conversation with you on this. How are you feeling if we can get your audio on it? I believe, Ranjana, there is some slight audio issue out there. But Sandeep, could you come in and at least give your congratulations to Ranjana, because sure. I'm sure she can hear us.
Ranjana, congratulations. Can you hear us? At least just say thumbs up to you. Yes, she can hear us. So congratulations to you. You've done a wonderful job. One thing that makes you apart, a spa, as we know professionally, at a point of time 10, 15 years back, used to be something just also a service that we would provide to this. But today it's come as a mainstay, okay? People come to hotels for spas, and they come not only residents but also non-residents. You have done a tremendous amount of job looking at your non-residents and bringing that profile also, in your hotel. Now, you've also done, a spa is all about training. You have carried out tremendous training. It shows through your applications, and as juries, we are really glad to sort of, give this award to you. You deserve it. Well done. Keep going.
And And Sean, I'd like you to come in and say your congratulations to Ranjana.
Again, congratulations, Ranjana. It's a shame we didn't get to hear your beautiful voice, which I'm sure you have. An incredibly challenging part of the hotel, which almost gets left out to a certain extent. The spa is not part of massive revenue in the hotel. But I think a job incredibly well done to you and your team. And I wish you all the very best. Congratulations. Well done.
Thank you, Ranjana. Coveted award for you. Keep doing well. I'm particularly happy when the better gender excels, right? And you're actually doing that, and you make us all proud, right? So thank you for winning this award. God bless you. Do well.
All the best.
Well done.
Thank you. And thank you, Ranjana. And before we, so ladies and gentlemen, with this we come to an end of our award ceremony. But before we leave,
I have a few words.
Yes,
I
would, getting to that.
I would of course like to thank the East jury, led by Sandeep Mukherjee, Sean, who's logged in all the way from England. He's actually locked in. He'd gone visiting England, but he got locked in over there because of the lockdown here. But he shall be back soon, like he says, next week.
Coming soon.
Nishet, Ashok Anantram, Partha, great jury. And I also want to say, great work done by ISH, our knowledge partner led by the worthy Dilip Puri and his team, Anupam, Monisha, and the entire back-end team, Gulshan. So great job. It's a wonderful partnership to be in. And I'm telling you, next year the awards are going to be even better, right? And this jury will be back, and we should sit down together and put our heads and lift it even higher.
We must.
Right? Bhavna, does that bring an end to the day's proceeding?
Yes, absolutely. It does.
All right.
It's been. Yes, please go ahead.
So you could play the videos of the sponsor and ISH. So let the world know.
Absolutely. So, ladies and gentlemen, with the last frame of me sharing it with Sean, Sandeep, and Bhuvnesh.
I look forward to seeing you soon.
Yes, very soon.
Yeah.
Coming soon.
Absolutely.
God bless you, sir. Yeah.
Thank you.
All right. All the best to all the winners.
Thanks.
Well done. Thank you. Bye-bye.
So, well, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for being such a lovely audience. Well, we'll be seeing you tomorrow at 10 a.m. for day 2 of PW Hotelier. IFA 2020, IHA 2020 is the hashtag. You got to keep a note of this hashtag IFA 2020. And the West Zone Awards ceremony is going to be happening tomorrow. So, ladies and gentlemen, we'll see you back for day 2 on the page. Do not go anywhere. And thank you so much for joining us. As rightly Bhuvnesh said that we're going to be having a few of the AVs being played. Thank you for being such an incredible audience. And this is me, Bhavna Bhatia, signing off on behalf of PW Hotelier.
Customers from across India and the world have been leaning on us for over 75 years. Blue Star, built on trust.
Ladies and gentlemen, that brings an end to the first day's proceedings. It's been a truly rewarding day in more ways than one for the winners, for the industry, for some of the best names in the industry have spoken and shared the platform. What better could BW Hotelier have asked for the industry? You had Amitabh Kant, you had Veer Sanghvi, you had the first session of the hospitality leaders of the industry led by Mandeep Lamba. You had the second session of owners led by Sanjay Sethi. You had the third session led by Anil Chadda with the master chefs, the celebrities. And of course, that wonderful address by Mr. Nakul Anand and then followed by Mr. Raj Menon. Overall, the day has been, if I was to sum it up, a wonderful day, right? Winners, speakers. It sets up the BW Hotelier Indian Hospitality Summit extremely well for the last 4 days. Well, 4 out of 5 left. So there's way to go. Ask me, I still haven't had lunch and I'm not missing it. So my lunch starts now. You have a wonderful sleepover. See you tomorrow morning at 10. Same action. We have a wonderful session to begin with by none other but the giant of the hospitality industry, Mr. K.B. Kachru, right? We have sessions. If there have been people who have not been able to join into these sessions today, that's also because we have unprecedented rush. You can catch us on bwhotelier.com online website of ours where we play live. You can see us on the BW Hotelier Facebook page, the Twitter page, right? Be there. If you can't get into this platform, don't worry. We actually save a lot for the Facebook, Twitter and BW Hotelier online because there the numbers grow, right? Thank you all. Thank you to the wonderful team of Business World, Tanvi, Jyotsna, Kanchan, Prerna, Ajit, Amit, Nilesh, who have you? The team is huge. I want to name everybody. Abhilasha, Shrija, Vanshika, यार मेरे को याद दिलाओ, मैं सब भूल जाता हूँ, बहुत लंबे नाम है, बहुत सारे नाम है, पूरी टीम पीछे लगी हुई है, Rachit hai, Ratnesh hai, Pappu hai, and of course, I can't go away without thanking the Almond Vertex team. Abhinav Jain, wherever you are, you've done a wonderful job, great platform. And Kunal, you've been holding it tight. Raghav Malhotra, main tere ko to bhul hi jata. Excellent job. So let's come back tomorrow, 10 a.m. sharp, right? Same show, different offerings, right? Enjoy your evening. See you. Good night. Bye-bye.